to Campton Island.
Perfect.
We're going to go. Are we going down or up?
We're going down.
Press the button.
Carla!
Down we go. We've got to find our buggy.
What buggy are we? Mum?
82.
Let's go, guys.
Come on, guys. Let's do it.
Are we gonna go to Sales restaurant, guys?
Yep.
Lunchtime. It's not about how.
Kai, what have you done? You can't press exit. Goddamn maniac! Hello. Smile.
You can see him in the mirror. That's his car there.
What are you singing?
I'm singing Hades.
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 I've not heard that before.
So where are we going?
Like the fish and chip shop maybe? Preferably somewhere that does gluten-free food.
Well, that's the fish and chip shop, so I feel like I've done a pretty good job.
Fish and chips. Welcome to the fish and chip shop.
So we're just about to have some fish and chips. Let's do it. See ya, mate.
Watch the silly boys with mum.
What are you doing? What? Come here.
I'm gonna run on the grass.
Go. All the way. I think he realized that it's full of water.
Go!
Where are you going? To run. Wait, not yet. Go. Yes, one more, man. Let's wipe the seats down.
I was gonna sit next to Dad. I want to sit next to Mama. I have to pee.
The front of the seats.
Hey Harley, do you know what? I'm gonna start. You're not.
What else would you like?
That armbar, please. Please, sir.
There you go, ladies. Don't forget to unplug the power. Power lady.
fish are we going to see today, Kota?
Ooh, I think that one.
A crab. We're going to see crabs, are we? What are you making?
Shells.
Beautiful.
You can tell because when they have a hole in them, it means the octopus has pushed his front barb in. See here? There's one.
Can I see?
Yep.
Octopuses have...
It's where their beak goes. They put their beak in and then that's how they kill all the crustaceans.
Oh, what's
I watched it on the movie that My Octopus Teacher.
that?
So we've just gotten back from our boat trip in a dinghy and now we're going to buy some souvenirs. Let's go check out what souvenirs are available. Kids have got 30 bucks each. So we're on our way to go get gifts and Shona's decided to drive. She's a goddamn maniac. Jeez Louise, isn't she crazy?
Maybe she's a maniac.
Maybe.
Dad, look what I got. So beautiful.
Kangaroo! Look, Harlow, there's a kangaroo!
Have some fun! Everyone smile! Where are we? We're at Hamilton Island! Yeah! We're ready to rock and roll! Let's leave Mum behind!
Look at me!
No!
going? You want to see Eddie? Careful.